Hello friends, welcome to our quick video for NMAP. Before we start with NMAP, what is NMAP actually and why we use it? This is very popular tool used by mostly ethical hacker, or it's misused by blackhat hackers as well. This is a free tool which is used for scanning vulnerable systems on the network or find the vulnerability with your network systems. The good way, if you really want to read more about the NMAP, I can advise you to go to the Google and search for NMAP in the Google. You will find many articles. This is an official website for NMAP. You can read from here. They have very good articles about this, or you can go to there are many links available. Actually, there is a reference guide. You can follow this. You can go next and next. It has very good documentation, or you can go to the one side which I like. It is techtarget.com, and then you will find very good article about this as well. But in this quick lab we will do a quick scan about NMAP, and we'll see what is the best what we get in. So what I have in my lab is I have an environment running with the uh, Kali Linux, where I have NMAP installed. Then I have one Windows 10 machine. Then I have a Metasploit machine which I downloaded from Rapid 7, where mostly ethical hacker do all the test. So let's start with the how do we install NMAP. So we go back to our Kali machine here, and I think I have shown in some previous videos how you interact with the Kali Linux, or otherwise there will be more videos coming about the Linux command and how do you work with the Kali Linux in very soon. So simple way to install is sudo apt install nmap. I already have it installed, so it shows all the library which is used, and obviously I have a lot of packets, so there are some libraries which I don't use, so it just shows it. But yeah, there is a nmap installed on my system, and we can do a clear and very simple command which we can use to find we can discover our network actually. So my lab network is, I would say, 10.0.2.7, where I have 3 machines running. I can quickly shoot command called nmap, and command then dot 0.2.0/24 for the subnet. If I have to scan one machine, then I have to go specific to the machine IP. Otherwise I can scan whole network with /24. It will take some time, and I'm trying to scan my network, and we will see a result actually, uh, and we'll see what it finds out actually. And this is very simple command, I would say. There are many switches. There are a lot of switches we use in nmap. Nmap is a vast command protocol command, or what do you say, uh, inbuilt program into by good people, or yeah, research people. And so there will be another video where we'll be talking about all the switches for nmap, but that will be very long, so we will do that. But let's see the output, what is it has scanned in my network. Simple command nmap and my subnet, and I can see it has done a discovery on my network. It can find machines on my network, which is 2.2, 2.3, 2.5. It is able to identify the OS which is running, the ports which is running, and we could definitely see the responses. The command which I mostly like is I can say it's nmap minus a. Let me do a clear nmap space minus a. T4 minus A is for it detects OS and many other stuff. We will talk about it more. T4 is for this quick scan, but I don't want to do a quick scan, so I will just do a minus A switch, and I will do a scan for the, because I am looking for more details about my scan stuff. It will take some time, so we have to wait for when it does the scanning. But do not forget to subscribe our channel, and there are we would be uploading a video on NMAP, which is very detailed video and will be a very long video, and there you will see how we use all the switches, and I think that would be a very good video for people to learn more about NMAP. And we would be installing more OS in our lab. We would be having 2016, 2019 and 2022 OS in our lab. We will be running all these scans. We will be running IIS. So we will be doing a lot of research for the NMAP tool, because it is very important for us as an ethical hacker to do a good job, I would say, a good discovery. So let's see what we have got. So I've used minus A switch, and minus A switch has given us a lot of output. And let's read about it. So you can see it has scanned everything about my devices on the network, and now you will be thinking what I'm gonna do with this vast output. So be in mind, when you really want to find a vulnerability on a system, you need to know about what is running on that system, what ports are open, what services are running, what OS is running, so that you can look onto the CVE and find the vulnerabilities towards this and try to exploit that system. And if you are a good ethical hacker, you will definitely find those vulnerabilities before black hat hacker find it out, the bad guys I say, and hack it up. So your job being a good ethical hacker, find all the vulnerabilities, close them, close those all vulnerabilities, and provide a good system to the company you're working for, or you own it. So don't forget to look our blog as well, which is ittechieminds.com. We would be writing more articles there as well, and you will find these video links there also attached. So have a nice day, and keep watching.